What's up YouTube? Welcome to another Thursday tutorials. I'm Pedro Salgado and I'm here to teach you how to do parkour. This week's technique is going to be the roll. It's one of the most important techniques in parkour because it's how you absorb the impact of your landings and dissipate it through a roll. Let's see the steps right now. Step number one of the roll, it's the trajectory. So to perform the roll correctly, using it for what it is for, like to absorb impact, you should come from a drop or from a technique that requires absorption, that you cannot take it just by running, or you don't want to take it, you want to save your legs, so you do the roll. The trajectory, I mean, you have to come with an angle to dissipate the energy forward. For example, if I'm hanging on a place and I just drop myself vertically, I will probably not have any momentum in any direction besides down. And this is very hard to perform the roll if you're just dropping down. Step number two, the landing. It's how you place your feet and hands to absorb the impact and to start doing the roll. Of course, everyone has a rotation side that is better, but for this technique I recommend you to practice both sides equally, because in different situations you're gonna need to roll for different sides. Starting in your feet, you're gonna land with the feet kind of together. You can have a little bit of a part of each other, but try to land in the ball of your feet with them together, because then you spread the impact from both legs equally. The hands are working as well for the absorption. As you fall forward, you're going to start absorbing with the hands. If you roll to the right, you're going to bring your left hand to the right. And if you roll to the left, you bring your right hand to the left. Making like a triangle, like this. You start absorbing and you bring your chin to the left side or to the right side, depends on which side you're rolling. Because you want to protect your head from hitting the ground, on the roll you don't roll over your head in any case. You're going to start doing a diagonal on your back, starting over your shoulder. You don't touch the shoulder, you touch the back. And finishes in the other side of the back. Step number three of the roll, it's the standing up. How you stand up after you do the roll. So if you roll to the right side, you're going to tuck your right leg in the end, so you can land with right and left leg after. If you roll to the left, you're going to tuck the left leg and you land left, right leg. If you want to start practicing the roll right now, and if you don't have access to a mattress, I recommend you to try it in a soft surface. Not too soft like sand, but something like grass, where you can hit your bones and still you don't have any pain, but you understand that you're committing mistakes. So you get ready for the concrete. The roll is a technique mainly for absorbing impact, but there are many uses for it. I'm going to give you some examples so you can practice your roll in the most diverse way. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was a pleasure to teach you how to roll. I hope you're enjoying the content I'm making for this channel lately, and let me know in the comments down below which technique do you want me to teach you next week. Stay tuned for more POV videos and tutorials, and see you there as fast as you can.